What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. We got a 07 Acura MDX, 07, 8, 9, 10. They all the same thing, as long as the setup is the same. So the AC customer have been complaining. A lot of people have been telling me, a lot of views I've been watching comments. AC shut down while I was driving. Obviously, your AC is going to shut down while you're driving. Most of the common reason is sometimes it could be an AC compressor gave up. But it could be a fuse, it could be a relay, very, very common relay. You want to go into this fuse box right here. What you want to do is you want to, let's bring our light over a little bit. This is not a magnet. Okay, that didn't go well. Anyways, it's going to give a shadow now. We're going to open this fuse box. You're going to push on this tab, that tab, that tab. You could do two at a time, just like that. And two on the other side now. And this fuse box will just open up just like that. That's how simple that is. So open this little guy. So I'm squeezing this and these two tabs, and this thing will come up. It feels kind of a little spongy. Make sure you fix the seal up when you put it back in. So make sure it's there. Sometimes it'll stick to the box there. It's very important. So inside the fuse box, it's gonna tell you what are all these relays and what are all these fuses. So for the AC, all we're looking at is right here. You see this frosting right here? That's your AC relay. So there's 4 relays here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this thing will tell you this is the front. So you have to hold it just like that, the way it is right now. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 relays. So there's 4 relays here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to follow the right direction. 1, 2, second relay is the one with the snowflake is your AC relay. It's this one right here. Okay, I'm gonna move my light out of here. That light is freaking just disaster, and it's dark now. So they don't make cars metal anymore. That's the problem there. So this is a relay. So part number on this relay, you guys can read it right there. Let me zoom in. There you go. That is the relay. So they're all the part numbers. Okay, it's same. Okay, so all these are same. But what you want to do is while you're driving, you don't have a spare relay. What you want to do is make sure the engine is off, everything is off. You want to pull this relay out. The way you want to do is, and you know what? Let's get another relay. So over here we have a fog light relay right here. It's the second relay all the way to over here. So it's the second relay right here. So you could do a swap. To take out a relay, all you have to do is grab this little guy, and you just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It's not going to be so easy, but it will come out. But if you got a needle nose, all you do is you grab this little guy and you wiggle, 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 and this guy will come out. So what you want to do is you could do a swap test, and there's another test you can do. Before you even remove anything, put your AC on, tap on it. That will bring the AC relay back on, but it will go out eventually anyway. So good idea to just remove it. So what I want to do here is I want to get this guy out too. So what you want to do is wiggle, wiggle. My camera light is on. Is it on? Okay, camera light's not on. Let me turn that on. I gotta turn my camera off to turn that. Okay, that's better now. So we don't need to worry about this top light. And this little guy on the top is bothering me here, but this will come out. So you can even grab it from the edges here. You can't squeeze it too hard because you will snap that relay. So wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It's gonna be really tough with the hand. That is the only way to get the relay out. So you don't want to mix and match. So if you could get this relay out, you can put this relay here. Okay, so it wouldn't matter if you put this relay this way, because it's only gonna fit one way. It's not gonna fit this way. It's not gonna fit that way. It's not gonna fit in any direction. It's only gonna fit this way. And all you do is you push it in, bada bing, bada boom, and you take this relay, same thing. It's only gonna fit one way, and you put this relay in. So now to get to the fuse, it will tell you AC clutch here somewhere. Let's see if you can find this guy. Let's see if you guys can find it, and then I'll show you guys where it's at. Because I haven't even located it yet. Anyways, AC clutch relay right here, AC clutch, and it's right next to it. It's only one fuse right next to it. 7.5 amp. Even this guy, you will have a tweezer somewhere. Let's see if it's a tweezer in this box. Let's open this box same way. Sometimes there's a tweezer in here. Okay, it's not there. Okay, so maybe it doesn't have it. Anyways, usually it's like a little tool. Okay, it's not there. So what you want to do is you want to get this fuse out, and you just want to take a look at this fuse. Okay, there's our fuse. We don't want to drop it anywhere. So what we're looking at here is, if you could see inside, there should be a contact inside. Let's put this in this light and look at it. Okay, my camera's never gonna focus. Camera will never focus. But you see that little line inside? It's attached. If you see it cut, broken, it's a bad fuse. So let's see if we can find a spare fuse anywhere. So that's usually, so to put this fuse in, get a new fuse, put it in. You can put it either direction, doesn't matter, as long as it goes back to its spot. It's only gonna go one way, and it's only gonna go. These are miniature fuses, are kind of a little tough. There you go. So spare fuses, there's none in here. But just to go back, you don't want to touch any of these fuses right here. I'm sorry, the relays, because they're for the radiator fans. Your car will overheat. So that is the only relay that I showed you. You could swap with this one right here, or if you could locate the horn fuse. And okay, so fuse wise, we need a 7.5 amp fuse. Can you take any fuse here? 7.5 amp fuse. Okay, there's 7.5 fan timer. We don't want that. You can't mess with that. 10 amp. These all 10 amp. The 7.5. I wouldn't mess with that either. And fog light. It's a 20 amp fuse there. Can't mess with that. 7.5. Internal aluminum. I'm not sure if I want to mess with that. So you're gonna have to get yourself a fuse. Okay, throw some fuses in here. Maybe there's some spare fuses in here, if I can save you guys. Okay, there's no spare fuses. I'm not sure. Okay, so none of these, all of these are used. So let's see if there's anything that's not important. 7.5 amp. So you really don't have any 7.5 amp fuse. Okay, so you got some spare fuses right here. Take one of this fuse, take this fuse, and pop this in. This is a spare fuse right here, okay? So 20 amp and 30 amp, they're all spare fuses here. Anyway, guys, that's the fuse you will take, put in there. But anyways, thank you for watching my video. Long video, but hopefully this makes your AC come on immediately while you're driving. Thank you for watching.